Welcome back. So I got a quick Dollar Tree haul, Easter haul, spring Easter. It's mostly Easter. But that I want to share with you guys. My store really didn't get I seen other people haul stuff and I didn't see half of the stuff that they got, but you know, with this whole COVID situation, everything is getting to the stores kind of late. But I did pick up some things I'm gonna share with y'all. So I did find these cute cups. They come with the chicks. They had some with bunny rabbits. What does it say? It says Happy Easter. And then they had this style, like a plaid with Easter colors. Got that. Found the silicone mold with the bunny rabbit. I picked up a couple of these Easter eggs. I don't know why I got this one. It was just so cute. It's a bunch of cards. And I got this one. It has ladybugs and butterflies and bees and stuff like that. I got that one. And then I got this one. It has like little cakes and cupcakes and stuff. And it was just so cute. I had to get it. Let me move this to the side. And I didn't see these like new this year. These cute little carrot shaped gift bags. They like canvas material. These are really cute. You get 2 in a pack. And then I got some confetti sprinkles. They got bunnies, eggs, Happy Easter. This one got eggs, more bunnies, and these got flowers on it. And then this one got chicks, a different kind of flower, and some different bunnies. Got that so you can decorate your little cupcakes and stuff with. And then I got this basket buddy, only because I like this face. You don't have to use it to decorate a basket. And then I got these Peep like gift bag, like a basket bag. I don't know why I got it. It's just the thing about Peeps and Easter and stuff. Got these cupcake liners. Got bunnies on it. You get 50 cupcake liners in there. Let's see what else I got. Got another one of those. I got me one of these egg holders. So you can make your deviled egg, your fake deviled eggs with this. You can use this for plaster of Paris. But you know what? Walmart has a smaller one and it costs 98 cents. Same thing. So after I bought this, I saw the one at Walmart and I was like, darn, I could have got a smaller one. But anyways, you can make your fake deviled eggs or whatever with that. Then I got this carrot garland, right? And then I got this egg garland because I like the speckled eggs. You don't have to keep it on the garland. You can take the eggs off of here, and they smaller than the other size. You know, the one that come in a little carton. Those are like regular size eggs. These are smaller. I like that. So I'm gonna put this away because I got another bag of stuff. And I want to share with y'all. I really didn't buy too much Easter stuff last year. So I'm kind of like building my stash right now. But I'm not going to get too crazy. I didn't buy everything they had because I didn't need it. But at the end of this video, I'll do a little walkthrough. They had these bunnies last year. Got me one. I didn't find they have one in brown too. I didn't find it. And I got some gnome socks. They have 2 different styles. These are the knee-high ones. And these are like the little, what you call these? Low cut ones. Got some of those. I don't know why, but look at here. They have a bunny gnome. You can hang out with this bunny over here. And they also have, this gnome is back. I know you guys asked me last year, where did I get get my gnome from. And I got it from Dollar Tree. I just put sprinkles on it. But yeah, he's from Dollar Tree. It comes in, the hat is in green, blue, pink. I think purple too. I believe it was purple. And then I just got some ribbon. Got some with bunnies and eggs. And then I got this, what you call it? No, I can't. Rick Rack. They have it in pink, purple, blue. I think it came in yellow too, but I didn't find yellow. But Rick Rack, you can use that all year long. So if you find that, grab you some. I know a lot of stores are still putting stuff out. Like I said, everything is on a delay right now. So I'm hoping everybody gets able to grab some stuff. And in this bag, I got some wood cutouts. I like this carrot. And this is not really Easter, but this is a new product that they have in the Crafter Square. Not sure what I'm going to do with that, but I figure, you know, I got some bunny cutouts. We're going to make something with that. I got some, I found the, I got little carrots. But look, I found the wood bead garland. This one got a carrot. I found this one. It has a chick at the end. And then I found this one. And it has a bunny at the end. Right? So then I got, there's a lot, they have a lot of different wood pieces this year for Easter. They have the chick. And they have tiny bunnies. Tiny chicks. Tiny eggs. Rabbit. And there's like 8 pieces in the big pieces and like 14 little carrots. Let me see if I got any other wood piece in here. And then I got me 2 wood eggs. I could have sworn I bought more than this, but I don't know. So now, this year they got these. These are supposed to be bunny butts. They come in like 3 different sizes. Small, medium, and large. This is the medium size. But guys, when you see this, don't look at it as just bunny butts, because these could be snowballs for Christmas. When you make your Christmas decor and stuff. So if you see these, save them, because in the winter, around Christmas time, Hobby Lobby sells these as snowballs. So, and it's not going to cost you $1.25 at Hobby Lobby. I got me a foam bunny rabbit. I got some small eggs and some medium-sized eggs. And they have these large eggs. I got me one because I'm going to make something else with it. And it's not going to have anything to do with Easter. But, oh, and then they, you know, they had these same little bunnies that they had last year. So if you see the snowballs, I mean, I call them snowballs. Now it's stuck in my head as snowballs, but not really snowballs. But yeah, guys, this is, I didn't really, like, they have a lot more stuff. I didn't get everything because I don't need everything. They have cute baskets and they have other Easter stuff, but I didn't get that. But at the end of this video, I do a quick walkthrough. I even seen the bunny, the gnome with the bunny hats and the bunny ears, I mean, but I didn't get one because I wasn't sure what I was going to do with that. And I'm kind of trying not to buy stuff that I really don't need to buy. But check out stay to the end of the video. After the end of this video, I'll do a quick walkthrough, okay? So this is just a little bit or a lot of stuff that I got for Easter, so we could get started on our Easter crafting, all right? So anyway, guys, until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, keep crafting, God bless you guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Watch the end of the video for the rest of the Dollar Tree stuff. Bye.